So the weather's warming up, so you guys know that only means one thing. And what is that, Victor?
Jet skis.
Jet ski, lake season. So we are 10 minutes out from going to pick up Victor's new jet ski. So we sold his one from last year, and we're headed to go get a different one. So his one last year was what? A Sea-Doo?
A 1994 or 1996 Sea-Doo GSX.
Yep. So 1994 GSX, and it went about 55 miles per hour. We'd say tacker.
I'd say more like 50.
We'll say more like 50. This one he's getting is a what? A Yamaha?
2001 Yamaha GP 800R.
Yep. So he was looking at some 1200Rs, but we want something that's lake ready that we can take out. And all the 1200Rs that were like actually decent and seemed like they wouldn't blow up on us were 5 hours away. So we compromised for looking and searching for the 800Rs as well, which we found one an hour and 30 minutes away. So we're 10 minutes, well, 9 minutes away from the guy's place, and let's hopefully get it. Hopefully everything all is good on it, and we don't see anything majorly wrong, or he doesn't be like, oh yeah, and by the way, this doesn't work, it runs a little rough, and blah, blah. Like, hopefully it's just a good purchase. We're spending a little bit more money to get that. And
yeah, exactly.
And if it's not at that standard, obviously, hopefully he'll drop the price, or we'll just keep looking for another one.
Yeah.
But if you're watching this video, it's most likely because he got it. So we'll see. For all you asking, we're from Illinois, and like, here's just a nice point of view of what Illinois is.
Average Illinois experience.
Like, if you ain't in Chicago, you're here. We got some windmills, we got some cornfields, spring, so it's really green. Farmers are about to start planting. Yup. We're in Victor's Platinum. Been doing good. So, yep. 7 minutes and we're there. So, we got the jet ski. So he had it hooked up to a hose and he started it up. It runs really good. Something I didn't know about, but Victor probably knew about, was has a new top end that he did 2 years ago. And if he did it 2 years ago, that means that it must have been a good job he did. But he's about our age, honestly. He's like more of a farmer boy kind of guy. And yeah, he must have known his stuff. But Victor's in love. So he's currently trying to back it up. I got this one backed up last night, first try. So I was like, I expect no different from you. He took 2 tries. GP 800 or GPR 800, whatever, however you say it. But yeah, we're about to unhook the trailer, dump it here in the grass, and put it on the double trailer.
Bearings a little warm.
You excited?
Yeah, I'm excited. Bearings are a little warm. That's kind of funny.
Oh yeah, you always want to feel your hubs. Yeah, a little toasty. Not bad though. A little bit of play.
Dude, this will definitely be good, I think. What do you think?
Yeah, I think you're gonna love it.
The C is so much bigger.
Yep.
I feel like it'll be a lot easier to have a second person.
His Sea-Doo was really narrow and small, so it was kind of unstable with 2 people on it. And this one, I told him it was gonna be a lot wider and a lot longer, and it definitely is. So I think he's gonna be really surprised with how stable it is. It's gonna probably it's a sport one. It's supposed to handle really good. Dang, dude, yours looks so shiny.
I know.
Mine's so dull.
Dude, and I have a big phone, and my phone fits in this, and I'm so happy about it.
Yes, sir. Yeah, he didn't have a front compartment last time. He had to put it up in the front, which isn't waterproof, and he had to screw it into a little case.
This compartment's tiny now, though.
Oh, jeez. That is low-key kind of tragic. My compartment. For reference, this is.
Oh, that's the
This isn't waterproof, but it holds all the ropes and stuff, which is really nice. Fire extinguisher, all that jazz. It got rained on last night. Gotta get some new foot mats. We're gonna paint this all up and make mine look pretty this year. Last year, we just used it. This year, time to put some money towards it to make it look nice. I wanna paint it black, that's why I put black speakers right here. Make them match when when we get to that point.
Dude, this thing's about to be sick.
Dude, that thing looks so nice. I like it.
Dude, it's shiny too, like the
yeah.
paint and everything's so shiny.
It makes me want to make mine look really nice. So I have no clue if I'm capable of doing this by myself. So if I slam this into Victor's truck, he's not out here to see it. Okay, we're detached from the truck. His roller sucks on the front of his trailer. Oh, we got it. This is easy. Woo. This is no joke. Got it. Tired. So we got our jet skis loaded up on the same double trailer. Huh? They look good. Victor's is probably like just a half a foot shorter because if you look right here in the rear, they're the same length. And if you go all the way up to the front, mine sticks up just a little bit more. So he said his was gonna be shorter. I said they're gonna be about the same length, and I was right. Super windy today though, so I apologize if there's any wind noise. But his is so shiny and mine's so crappy because it was sat in water and it's got the mildew on it that I need to get off. And I've been trying. It's really stuck on there. But we have agreed that we both need new floor mats because mine are worn and his are peeling off. Yeah,
like crap.
Yep. So and I need new graphics, but I might just paint my jet ski. We'll see. But now I kind of want to keep the same color so they kind of match. We'll see what happens. Decisions.
It's gonna be cold.
It's gonna be a little chilly today.
It's gonna be cold.
It's gonna be a little chilly today.
Right, onto the lake we go.
Almost are shaking.
So as you just saw, those were some rollers Sohan took of us headed out to lake. We honestly had a great time out there. And now we're gonna run out to the property and grab some seat cushions for the boat because we have the boat at home here in the garage. And so we need to get some seat cushions to mock up some stuff we want to do for our back seat and a little sunbathing pad on the back. And we're gonna also run probably to the store and get some plywood for some new seat plywood. Some of them are in kind of rough condition. And then I'm gonna order some foam and vinyl online so we can at least get started on this little boat interior project tonight. So yeah, we need to go get some 1x1s, 2x4s, the frame of the back seat assembly thing we want, and then also grab the seat cushions themselves so we can get some new plywood for them and cut them all to shape and mock up some stuff for our back seat. So let's hit the road. So we're out here at the property. So I took all these seats out about a year ago and they're all kind of trashed, so we're simply just gonna use the old plywood as templates, and we're gonna just cut out new plywood and then just start fresh from there with new foam and new vinyl as well. So yep, we're gonna get these loaded up so we can bring them home and use them as some templates. Right, Victor? Yep. So we no longer have Victor with us and it's nighttime. We got all the plywood we needed. Right now I got my trailer, got the mower. So the mower was having some issues. My parents bought this thing for the property, the mow with. It's a 2023, what is it called? Aaron's or something. It's this. And it's been awesome. It has these front lights. I don't have the key, but these front lights turn on with the key, but this guy added in these aftermarket lights, but they would flicker, so there was a loose connection somewhere, and I was tapping up here and it would start working. So I knew I had a loose connection at the switch most likely. And so I went in, and all 4 prongs on the backside of this connector or switch, they're all loose, and I pulled each connector off, so he didn't even really crimp them down. So I got all new ones on there and I crimped them down good, and now our lights work amazing. As well as it had a mulching kit. Oh, I just laid my jeans in my freshly painted piece. Now it has that huge blemish in it, but had a mulching thing on it. So I got the sheet metal piece and I just screwed it onto the top, because out at the property mowing ditches and deep grass, I do not need to be mulching it. It just bogs down the mower. So yeah, we got Rylan here. We just got a whole bunch of things at Dollar General, and we're gonna go out and have a little bonfire. So it is middle of summer now, actually, and it's almost 4th of July, so it's not spring anymore. Victor's been loving his jet ski, but I got these seat cushions all back into the garage, and we've recently just started taking them apart for the boat. I got all of them piled back there. We got some right here, taking them apart. The foam, yeah, it looks gross, but I think we can, it's not like it's not like unattacked or anything. And these plywood, I mean, it seems pretty solid, but I bought a whole bunch of, about 3 sheets, 2 thick ones for the plywood for the seats, nice thick ones for the butt pads, and then a thinner piece right here at the bottom for more of backrest ones and side paneling ones that we want to be thinner, like those. And also we're gonna have a huge sun deck right here, and I think that can be thinner since it will have a frame underneath of it, being more of the structural aspect of it. So yeah. Oh yeah. So yeah, we've been working a ton on the boat. We got it all vacuumed out and pressure washed again, and I've been installing a whole bunch of switches. I actually just got a whole bunch of parts in for it today, and I got another batch of parts coming in on Wednesday, and then hopefully within a couple days we'll bring her out to the lake for our first test run with lawn chairs in it. So yeah, that is where I'm going to end this video here. I hope you guys like Victor's jet ski. We're definitely gonna have to make some clips of us going out to the lake with his jet ski and my jet ski, and just cruising around. It's super fun, and should make some pretty good content, so stay tuned for that, and I'll catch you on the next one, and stay looking forward to this video. We've been filming a lot on it, of all the work we've been doing, and the video is gonna be out soon. So hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on anything. So catch you in the next one. Bye.